welcome to my channel. My name is Paige. If you've never seen my face before, then consider subscribing before you leave. And if you enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So today I'm going to be sharing some goodies from my FabFitFun summer box. If you are an oldie but a goodie, you know that this is my second box and I was blown away by their spring box. They did offer to send this over to me. I do have a code down below for you to get a discount on your first box. I was overwhelmingly surprised with the spring box, so I'm very, very excited, and I've already seen some hints to what is in the box because some people have already received theirs and they've been showing some pictures on Instagram. I haven't watched any other unboxings because I want to be surprised, and I want you guys to see my actual first impression, my reactions to everything that's in the box. I do this for y'all because as soon as I got it, I wanted to open it. And I didn't. I did this for y'all. So, of course, first thing that they have in the box is just like this little catalog kind of thing. And it has the breakdown of everything that's in here. Just some really cute little ideas because it's the summer box. So we want to have some cute summer themed things in here. So it goes through all of that in here. If you want to know the exact price of everything, that will be in here, and we'll go through that as we go to each item. I'm so excited. I did kind of peek, so I do know one big thing that's on the top that I am super excited about. This is what the summer box looks like this time. They always have the cutest packaging. They know what they're doing in the branding department. I think this is just so stinking cute. Taste of summer. Okay, first thing that I see on the top, which is what I was excited about, was this Tarte Pro Glow palette. If I don't do anything else when I do my makeup, and you can honestly see that I don't wear much makeup, but when I do, I go in with my bronzer and my highlight. I mean, that's just what I do. So, this is a highlight and contour palette from Tarte. Tarte. Let me get the exact price because I don't think you guys are ready for this. So the total value of the summer box can range anywhere from $321.99 to $367.99. All depends on what goes in it because I do have a variety of things that can possibly go in it, but that's the value of the box. And this is what you pay. And if you're a first-time customer, you get a discount. So yeah. So the paper says that this highlight and contour palette from Tarte is originally $45. Well, you just made your money right there. Oh, look how glamorous this packaging is. Oh, snap. Okay, we're going to, is that cream? Really? Is that a cream? Is there a cream in here? Is it? There is cream and powder in here. This dark color is perfect for my contour. I'm gonna do some swatches on the back of my hand for you. Okay, can you see these swatches? That cream contour color is like perfection. There ain't a bit of warmness in it at all. It's more of a cool tone brown, and those highlight colors, yo, there's one of them, where did I put it? The one that I think I'm most excited about is the Stunner one, which is like the fourth one at the top. You can definitely see it. It's a stunner. These are beautiful. My best friend Kelsey is going to fall slam out when I show her this. Oh my gosh! Next thing I see is from Pier 1 Imports, a store that I never shop at because it's expensive. So I don't know. So I'm thinking this is a marble ring dish, which would go perfect in my office. This retails at $14.99. It's just a cute little dish with a gold rim around it. It has the marble detail in the middle. That is just really cute. You put it like next to a sink and you can take your, wedding set off or whatever jewelry and lay it on it. I have a little dish at my desk because I just sit down and take all my jewelry off when I sit down to edit, and I normally sit on something like this. So this is something I could definitely use. I think this would be really cute on my nightstand as well. Go on to this. Shut up. Shut the front door. I cannot believe this is in here. This is part of the exclusive launch part. This is the, I don't even know how to pronounce the first part, the Ferrio This is the Luna. This is the little thing that people are always like washing their face with on Instagram videos. This retails at $89. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. You use this to clean your face. It's in black. I cannot believe this was in here. Are you freaking kidding me? Y'all, I'm so excited. Download it on the App Store. It has its own app. Yo, it has its own app. It's a smart beauty coach facial cleansing I can't. Y'all. Next thing is this. What is this? Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. And it retails at $29. It says get glowing skin with this exfoliating cleanser. I could probably use this with that little silicone thing. I have to make sure because there's certain cleansers you need to avoid when you use that because I think it'll mess it up. But yeah, 29 bucks for this. It has a tip, and I normally have tips for everything that's in the box. So if this is like a new product to you, it gives you a tip on how to use it, like what's the proper way to use it. It says wet your face and massage all over in a circular motion, and it can be used 3 to 5 times a week. Next we have, ooh, body caviar. Okay, this is, I can't pronounce it. Oh, I love products I can't pronounce. This is a Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar. Retails at $48. Yeah. It says tip in the bath or shower, massage the caviar into wet skin, gently scrub, rinse off with warm water, and pat dry. So this is like an exfoliator you can use in the shower. If you've watched my shower routine, then you know that I love me a body polish, body exfoliator. I want to smell it, but I don't want to take the cap off. This is really nice. This is a really nice packaging. This is 7.25 ounces. So I will be using that very, very soon. Okay, let's do something else. This is a Face Sport SPF 50 White Tea Moisturizer. I needed this for the cruise we just went on. It says apply 15 minutes before sun exposure and immediately after swimming, sweating, or towel drying. It's 80-minute water-resistant formula. It's made with 70% organic ingredients, so you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun worry-free. Retails at $32. It's got SPF of 50 in it, and it's for sport, so you can be active and it's not gonna go anywhere. It says non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free. Packaging super cute. Look at that. Let's see if it actually works. Shut the front door. So while we were on the cruise ship, we cruised with Royal Caribbean. We had like a little spa day. We did a couples massage, and they swear by this brand. This is all they use in there, and they were like trying to force us to buy stuff, and we wouldn't because it was kind of expensive. This is the Ebates, I think I'm pronouncing that right. Ebates Papaya Enzyme Peel. This little bottle retails for $45. It is a 1.6 ounce. I cannot believe this was in here. Apply the peel to clean towel dried skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. It will feel like a heavy cream, not like a standard mask, and can be rinsed off with lukewarm water. Oh, I'm so excited. I didn't get a facial, but we loved our massages and the products that they used. I cannot believe that this is in here. What are the odds? What else is in here? And the last item, I'm pretty excited about this. I love big things, so this is, ooh, I love it. This is a makeup train case. Yo, I'm always traveling, ooh, it's a big one. I'm always traveling and going places, and oh, it's so cute. And I'm always looking for something convenient to pack my stuff in. I don't take a lot of stuff because I hardly ever wear makeup, like I mentioned. When we do like go out of town, we will do like a nice dinner or something, and I try to dress up. So I bring some makeup. I don't wear that much makeup. Not like I used to in my pageant days. This little train case by Yumi Kim retails at $58. Says consolidate your liquids by using contact lens cases to hold your foundation, night cream, or hair serum. That is a smart idea. So then you don't have to carry all the bags. But I like this because it has its own little like, oh, I can put brushes in here. Oh! So it's got its own like separate compartment at the top that zips. And then it also zips at the bottom, so you can put all your big stuff down here. But I love this because I don't have anywhere to put makeup brushes when I'm traveling. I kind of like throw them in a Ziploc bag. But I love this, and they threw in a little $50 off of your purchase of $200 at yumikim.com. But I love this because it has a place here inside of this where you can stick the brushes in each little compartment, and then you can cover them with this plastic so that it doesn't rub off on everything if it's got makeup still on the brushes, and it also will protect the bristles of your brushes so that they won't be ruined when you're traveling. I can't. Also there's a little zipper there so you can put something in there. This is one of the most convenient things I've ever seen. And it's got the little top on it. This one comes in 2 different colors, so you can get either one of these in your summer FabFitFun boxes. I cannot. I think this one was way better than spring. I'm going to say it. I think it was way better than spring. I thought spring was good, but I think this one's way better because I can use every single thing that I pulled out of this box. Spring, there was some stuff I was like, I'm gonna give this to somebody else because I don't think I can use it. But it was still very nice. Very nice things, very nice quality things. But I literally will use every single thing that was in this box. And I am so excited. It's Christmas in the summertime! There are so many other options that you can get. So your box may not come with these exact items, but it has everything in here that you could possibly get. And I'm looking at the other options that you could get, and they're all nice. I actually would want some of these. So if you're interested in getting your own FabFitFun box, just go ahead and click the link down below. Go ahead and treat yourself. This box comes seasonally, so you'll get it spring, summer, fall, and winter. I think it's such a good gift to give yourself, especially if you work really hard. Girl, you deserve it. Get yourself a FabFitFun box. I think it's totally worth it because the stuff that you're getting in here, you're definitely going to get your money back. Even if it's just one item. That Tarte Pro Glow palette alone was the price of the entire box. You know what I'm saying? So you just can't go wrong with these. If you've been debating on getting them, they have Paige's approval. So I am totally obsessed with this. I cannot wait to show all this stuff to my husband. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below videos you would love to see from me this summer. I'm so excited to wear really cute summery clothes. But then I'm also not excited about the frogs and lizards coming back outside because it warmed up. I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all.